Hey, what is up, you guys? It's Tanya here. How are you doing today? I'm great, and I hope you're fine too. So, in today's video, I'm gonna talk about what happens to your YouTube channel when you stop uploading. So, I already made a video about this, and lots of you guys have certain doubts, and also what else will happen to your channel if you stop uploading. So, you have like so many questions. So, I thought, okay, I'll make another video about this and let me cover more points, more things that will happen to your channel if you stop uploading, and also what's the solution for it, what can you do, and you have like certain questions. I'm gonna answer all that in today's video, so stay tuned, guys. You might be already on YouTube, or you already have a channel, or maybe you are planning to start a YouTube channel. So in either case, this is going to be helpful. Okay, now you might be uploading videos continuously for a certain period of time, and after that maybe you would have lost interest, or you don't have the time, maybe there's any personal reasons. There'll be like so many things that might be stopping you from uploading like consistent videos. So in that case, your channel's view might be going down and all sorts. So I'm gonna explain to you what will happen to your channel if you stop uploading. Let's say that you're going to start a YouTube channel, and you want to know all these stuff. Okay, so now, so keep that in mind, and when you start a YouTube channel, try to be consistent. Things may come in your way. Even if you are just leaving a break for some time, continue it as soon as possible. Okay, so the things that I'm going to cover happened to my channel as well. So I stopped putting up videos in between because of like certain personal stuff. Like, I'm going to cover all that as well, what happened to my channel, and how you can use my thing as an example to set your channel right. Okay, so the first thing that will happen to your channel is, so there's going to be an algorithmic impact. Okay, so what I mean by that is, like, the channel is based on YouTube algorithm, like the more detailed insider information about YouTube. Okay, so the numbers basically, and like how the search works, that's what algorithm means with YouTube. So when you stop putting up videos, that's going to have a huge impact on that. So imagine, let's say that you're uploading videos for a certain period of time and you stopped it, and in the same niche other people might be putting up videos. Maybe there are like new YouTubers that are coming up, so they'll be putting up videos, and because of that, and if their content is good and people are engaging with it more, what YouTube will do, what YouTube algorithm will do, is that it'll start to promote their videos more compared to your videos. So to your audience, they will start showing other people's videos. So your videos might not get enough views, your channel will not get much views. Okay, so because of that, it'll have a huge impact on YouTube algorithm when you stop putting up videos. Second thing is, audience engagement will reduce. So if the audience engagement reduce, there's going to be a channel decay. Okay, so what I mean by channel decay is that your channel will subside and subside, and eventually it'll just go down, and people will lose interest on you. Okay, so when there's no audience engagement, so now let's say that you stop putting up videos, or even going on to checking up on your YouTube channel, what will happen? You're not interacting with your audience, they're not engaging with you, they're not watching your video. So eventually, what will happen? If you don't see a person for a long time, what will happen? They will forget you. Okay, so so your channel's the memory of your channel will just basically subside. Okay, there's going to be a reduce in audience engagement. So that's the second thing that will happen to your channel. So the third thing is search ranking. So this is something that is important. So let's say that as a beginner with YouTube, mostly your views come from YouTube search, the search page. So when people search a particular title or particular content on YouTube, your video will come up according to the search. So like when you put up like a relevant content to the title that they are typing on YouTube, they're searching on YouTube, your video will come up. So once you stop uploading, once you are not putting up any videos, so your videos which was getting views from the search won't get that much views, because other people will be putting up videos on the same title, or maybe about the same content. So once you stop putting up videos, their videos will get more views, so their results will be more on the search page than yours. So the search will get affected, so the views that you're getting from the search result will get affected. So that's the third thing that will happen to your channel. So the fourth thing that happens to your channel is the value of your channel will go down. So that is your credibility. So like, you might have built up your channel to a certain extent, and you got little credibility on YouTube. So because of that, you might be getting brand deals, sponsorships, you might be doing collaborations. People are interested in you to do business deals. They want you to sell something. So all sorts of things might be happening. So once you stop uploading and you're not seen on YouTube for a long time, so what will happen? You might be losing some business deals, or you might be losing some brand deals. So your credibility will go down a bit more. That depends on like how much gap you're leaving between your next upload date. Okay, so you might be maybe you would have uploaded videos 2 years ago, so that means people would have like forgot you, most probably, so like depending on the duration, the break that you're leaving, according to that your credibility also will go down. So that's the fourth thing that will happen to your channel. And the fifth one that will happen to your channel is that you're going to have a potential subscribers loss as well. So like maybe you would have already got like 10,000 subscribers, or maybe you would have got like 100,000 subscribers or something. But let's say if you play it cool, like, okay, I got 100,000 subscribers now, let me just take a break for a year or 2 years or something. So what will happen is people who already subscribe to your channel will also lose interest on you because you're not giving them any value. What they'll do is that they just unsubscribe, and your subscribers rate also will become low. So all this, some of these things happen to my channel as well. So I want to help you out, guys. I don't want you to go through the same thing, because so once you leave a bit of a gap, that's going to have a huge impact on your channel, and to bring it up to the same level as before is going to take some time. So like before you want to take a break, so the solution for this is that, let's say that you want to take a break for a year, or maybe like for 6 months or something like that. So before you take a break, what you want to do is that you want to let your audience know, maybe through a post, or maybe through the community section on YouTube, or maybe you stay in touch with them on Instagram or something like that, or maybe just now and then just post some stuff on YouTube to let them know what's happening, so that they know that you're there. You're just taking a break because of your personal reasons. So let them know, okay? Like keep them updated so that they don't lose interest on you and they remember you. So if you want to take a break due to any reason, keep them updated, okay? And the second thing that you can do is that now and then put up a video, okay? Now and then just keep them, give them little value, give them some value, because they are depending on you, and they subscribe to you because they like you and they know they like your stuff. So keep them, so even if they are not uploading, let's say you've been uploading videos thrice a month or even every day or something, at least try to put up, you have no time at all, in that case you can just put up at least one video for a month, or maybe like 2 videos for a month. If possible, try to put up like one video for the week at least, okay? Or maybe in that case, maybe shorts, YouTube shorts as well. That's going to take only like 1 minute to record a video. So just try to create shorts as well, and like keep the bond still there, like don't break it off. So that's the two things that you can do. In some cases, when you stop uploading, in some cases there might be even channel termination, because if that's affecting the YouTube channel guidelines. So because sometimes when you like don't notice your channel and you don't go there for a long time, what will happen is that there might be a copyright strike, or which you didn't notice, and that might be in your channel. And if you get a copyright strike, again this that, and your channel might get terminated as well. So always, even if you are not going, you're not uploading content, at least now and then go check up on your channel, how the how your videos are doing. Is there any copyright strike? You need to like check up on all that now and then, okay? So this is just to update you guys, okay? Don't get frightened or anything, because anything can be recouped again, okay? Like even if your channel views go down, again you can do it again, you can just bring it back to the same number of views. So all you got to do is that uh, just continue doing whatever you're doing before, like how many other videos you put up before, continue to do the same. Engage with your audience more, provide them with a lot of information, so they love you, that's why they subscribe to you. So always keep them in mind and provide value, guys, okay? So that's all you got to do, and be consistent. Try to be consistent even if you have things going on in your life. I'm going to answer some questions as well that you asked in the comment section from the previous video. Small creator and post videos consistently during the week, probably 3 to 4 times a week. When I miss a day, my viewing hours start to decrease. Why is that? I'm trying to meet YouTube partner requirements for 4,000 viewing hours, and viewing hours are at 800. So they're just explaining that. So like when you are a small creator, when you're just newly beginning on YouTube, so you might be looking at each minute, because I want to get into YouTube partner program, so I need to cover each hour. So when you think about that, that's kind of like put more strain on you, because when you're beginning, don't look at views hours that you're getting. Okay, so just consistently put up videos, just thinking that you need to provide value. Okay, suddenly some video might go viral, or like when you provide a lot of good content, people will start to like you, and they'll start to share your videos as well, and it'll rank on search as well. So don't look at the watch hours in the beginning. Okay, just keep, the only thing that you need to keep in mind is like upload valuable content on YouTube. That's it. Just like work on optimizing your video. That's it. A little bit of that. Another person is like, hi Tanya, I didn't upload videos for 1.5 years. It affects my channel. Now I'm uploading for the past 3 months, but it affected my views. Is it good to start a new channel or continue with the old one? I only have 1,500 subscribers. So now in that case, what you can do is that like you can start putting up videos in the same channel itself. Okay, like it might take some time to pick up because you left it for a long time. 1.5 years is like a really long time. So it will go down, but to get the views back, it's going to take a bit of time. So you can start uploading in the same channel itself. But let's say that you're going to change the whole channel idea, or maybe you are thinking of starting getting into another niche. Then in that case, it's better to create a new channel and go ahead with it. Okay, but I would recommend to go ahead with the same channel itself. Okay, start uploading in the same channel, but be consistent and provide value. So another one person asked like, Tanya, I have not posted on my educational channel for a couple of years now, and my monetization is also stopped. I'm planning to put videos again. Will the monetization restart again here? So in some cases, once you meet the requirements, the eligibility, YouTube partner programs eligibility, you might get the monetization enabled again. But I would recommend like why to go through the hassle again, like better to create a new channel and go ahead with it. When I again start to upload YouTube videos after some time, so what is the average time to regrow? So you can't really tell like how much time it's going to take for it to like regrow. It wholly depends on like how frequent that you're putting up your video, like how valuable your video is, like how long did you leave the break for. So it all depends on that, but it'll regrow, but it'll be a slow process. There are like loads of comments, guys. Like I'll try to reply to the previous videos comments. Like this is some questions that I wanted to like cover in this video, because some of you might have the same questions, so I wanted to cover all that. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some value out of this. If you did, comment below saying that you did, and also if you have any questions, doubts or suggestions, leave that in the comment section and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing, guys. So thanks for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video.